In today's video, we're diving into 3 of the best video ad maker apps for Android. Whether you're looking to promote your business or create engaging content, these apps will help you make stunning video ads effortlessly. Let's check them out. VideoAdking Video Ad Maker. VideoAdking is a powerful and user-friendly app specifically designed for creating professional-quality video advertisements. The app offers a wide range of customizable templates tailored for various promotional needs, making it easy for users to create eye-catching ads. With features like text overlays, animated effects, and music integration, users can enhance their videos to grab the audience's attention. Additionally, VideoAdking allows for easy sharing on social media platforms, enabling marketers and businesses to reach their target audience quickly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, VideoAdking provides the tools needed to produce engaging video ads efficiently. Marketing Video Maker Ad Maker. Marketing Video Maker Ad Maker is an intuitive app that provides everything needed to create effective marketing videos and advertisements. This app boasts a library of templates designed for various industries, allowing users to create tailored ads in minutes. Users can easily customize their videos by adding text, images, music, and special effects to deliver their message effectively. The app also features options for adjusting video duration and format to suit different social media platforms. Marketing Video Maker is perfect for entrepreneurs and small businesses aiming to enhance their promotional strategies with professional-looking videos without needing advanced editing skills. Vidsi Promo Video Ad Maker. Vidsi Promo Video Ad Maker is a creative application designed for producing stunning promotional videos with ease. It offers a variety of templates and design elements that users can customize to fit their brand. Vidsi provides features such as animated graphics, transitions, and background music, allowing users to craft visually appealing ads that stand out. Additionally, the app includes options for previewing videos before sharing, ensuring quality control. Vidsi is ideal for marketers, content creators, and small businesses looking to create dynamic promotional materials quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching our video on the best video ad maker apps for Android. We hope these tools inspire you to create captivating promotional content that effectively connects with your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.